Hello friend! Today I'm coming back to the world of the mechanical watches. And why is that? Because mechanical watches are awesome. To see what I've got in this package. I own the great watch, but it's not mechanical. So let's see what is in the This is how package. It arrived today. Obviously it's a budget choice. This watch I purchased on eBay and it was $60 including shipping, which is unbelievable for quality mechanical watch. It came. This is the presentation of the watch. Here is the tag, and I can see there is a manual inside of the box. Inside of this manual, I will consider it as a generic junk. So there's no use for this on the watch and see what I've got. And this is what it is. It's a Seiko SNX997K. There is automatic movement, caliber 7S2. Here is the beauty itself. Absolutely incredible automatic watch, considering the fact that it was $60 including shipping. That's unbelievable. Here you can see the band. It doesn't have a safety clasp. It's just a simple band, but it's pretty cool. You can see the details here. This is awesome. And there is still the protective foil for the back, so let's take it off. Alright, and let's go and try to look inside of the watch. See the detail of the automatic movement and the way it spins around. It's pretty amazing. You can read there it's 21 jewels and the movement is 7S26. This beautiful piece. It's completely alive. Automatic watches are awesome. Here comes another detail of the automatic movement. And also the band. It's beautiful. Another nice detail of the watch. It's extremely clean and beautiful design. That's for sure. Here you can see how the watch performs in the dark. And of course you want to see how it looks on the wrist. It's pretty awesome. I really like the simplicity and elegance of this watch. Please stay tuned because I will have very many more videos about this watch, about this movement, and in general about automatic watches. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.